How to deposit funds from an exchange into TegasFX to start trading in the Forex market. Step 1. Click Deposit Funds on TegasFX. Step 2. Choose your wallet currency, either USD or Euro. Step 3. Select TRC-20 as the network. Step 4. Pick the payment details you saved earlier. Step 5. Click Continue. Step 6. Enter the deposit amount, for example $160. Step 7. Check the credited amount after fees and copy the deposit address provided. Step 8. Open Binance, go to Assets, then Send, then On-Chain Withdrawal. Step 9. Select USDT, paste the TegasFX address, and choose TRC-20. Step 10. Enter the deposit amount and double-check all details. Step 11. Click Withdraw and confirm using Binance Security Verification. Step 12. On Binance, click the notification icon, then Transactions, then Withdrawals. Step 13. Open your latest withdrawal, copy the transaction ID, and take a screenshot. Step 14. Back in TegasFX, click Continue, paste the transaction ID, and upload your screenshot. Step 15. Click Continue again and wait for the finance team to approve your deposit. Important note: trading in the Forex market involves risk. Always invest responsibly and only deposit what you can afford to lose. For more tutorials and opportunities, follow Wealth Builder Global Community.